We are the city of faith, as you have witnessed today during the opening of your ceremony. From Quiapo Church to Golden Mosque, from century-old chapels and exports pass through the two seaports of Manila. We are the wellness center of the country. There is a hospital cluster not far from here, the most prestigious institution of which is Philippine General Hospital, San Lazaro Hospital, Jose Reyes Memorial Medical Center, and Dr. Jose Pabella Memorial Hospital. The first options for the penniless and the last resort for the hopeless. We are the only LGU or local government unit in the entire country who's running 6 local government-owned public hospital at magiging 7 na, katulad ng naipangako ko sa mga taga-Baseco. Ngayong taon na ito, bubuksan natin ang pinangalanang Corin na ospital, President Corazon C. Aquino General Hospital in Baseco. We are the cultural hub. Manila is hip. The scene of vibrant art movements. The gastronomical paradise, from the street cuisine to culinary stars. We are the city of faith, as you have witnessed today during the opening of your ceremony. From Quiapo Church to Golden Mosque, from century-old chapels to vibrant prayer halls. At dito rin sa lungsod ng Maynila, ang panganay na lokal ng Iglesia ni Cristo na simulan sa Santa Ana Hospital na ngayon ay nasa buong mundo na. Dito matatagpuan ang kauna-unahan makasaysayang itinatag na bahay-sambahan ng Iglesia ni Cristo. We are very proud of it because now, for a short period of time, patuloy silang nangangalaga sa ating mga kapatid sa buong mundo, hindi na lamang dito sa ating bansa. Manila is indeed the tapestry of beliefs. Pangpito, we are the mega Manila's food pantry. In the likes of Divisoria is one giant commissary at night. We are the keeper, the nation's memory. Intramuros is the rampart of our glorious past. Luneta is ground made hallowed by our martyrs. Our museums are the vessels of our rich heritage. We are also the shopping mecca in the Philippines. From Binondo, Quiapo, Divisoria, Triangle is probably the world's biggest bargain heaven. We abound in human capital. Ang Manileño ay malikain, madiskarte, edukado at porsigido sa pagtataguyod sa kanyang sarili. Napakaganda po ng ating mga vital signs or statistics. Let us capitalize on this. These are the strengths to attract visitors and investors. increase the productivity of our residents, and become more resilient and progressive city. As like in the old days, especially noong panahon nila Mayor Lito Atienza nung kabataan niya, sinabi, where Manila goes, the country follows. If I may borrow that statement from somebody else. But Mayor Lito Atienza and I believe na yun talaga. Ang muka ng Maynila ay muka ng bansa. As Manila rises, so does the nation. Hindi lamang po slogan ang Make Manila Great Again. Isa po itong pangarap, platform of government. At tulad ng platforms of government, it needs clear, short, medium, and long-term development plans. Kaya ngayong araw na ito, ipahapyaw ko po sa inyong lahat at 10 ng ating mga mamamayan. Ilalatag ko sa inyo ang direksyon na ating tatahakin sa mga susunod. I hope God will allow it. Susunod na 10 taon natin sa lungsod.